He will have accomplished that today. He will be in the news nationally and internationally for the individual who has single-handedly destroyed democracy in the state of Florida.
Elections have consequences. He won by 30,000 votes over Andrew Gillum. Imagine had Ron DeSantis never won. Folks, do not take the vote for granted. We must fight back against this political thug. I'm Roland Martin on the Black Information Network.
When truth matters, count on BIN.
The Black Information Network.
The Bay Area's BIN 910.
Although Davis said here's what's trending, Wall Street is closing with stocks mixed to end the week. This comes after last month's consumer price index came in softer than expected on a year-over-year basis. That's what's trending from the Black Information Network.
On the Black Information Network.
We're in the middle of NFL training camp. Preseason games are kicking off this weekend, and the regular season starts in less than a month. So, it's the perfect time to talk about the NBA Christmas schedule. That's right, the NBA dropped their Christmas lineup about 4.5 months early to give you all the Christmas feels in the middle of August. The Athletic is reporting that Nikola Jokic and the reigning NBA champs Denver Nuggets will square off against the previous NBA champs Steph Curry and the Golden State Warriors in a matchup of the West Elite. And they probably starting the game at 10 p.m. at night. Other games include a long-time rivalry between the Boston Celtics and the Los Angeles Lakers, and a brewing rivalry between the Dallas Mavericks and the Phoenix Suns. Also on Christmas Day, we get Giannis Antetokounmpo and the Milwaukee Bucks as they challenge the New York Knicks, while reigning league MVP Joel Embiid and the Philadelphia 76ers take on Jimmy Butler and the Miami Heat. The only question is, who's getting Damian Lillard as a Christmas gift? Also, the NBA lets us know that opening day, which is 2.5 months away, the defending NBA champions are kicking off the season against the LA Lakers and LeBron James. The teams will open a new season after meeting in the Western Conference Finals back in May. And also on the schedule for opening night is the Golden State Warriors hosting the Phoenix Suns in San Francisco, which means Kevin Durant returns to the Bay Area while Chris Paul faces off with the Suns for the first time since he's been traded. Sports at 14:44 past the hour. I'm Big Mid on the Black Information Network.
Born in Baltimore on September 24th, 1894, Edward Franklin Frazier would graduate from Howard University and become acquainted with sociology while pursuing his master's at Clark University, becoming an instructor of sociology at Morehouse College in the early 1920s. E. Franklin Frazier would earn his Ph.D. from the University of Chicago in 1932 and publish his first book titled The Negro Family in the United States. Returning to Howard University in 1943, Frazier became chair of the sociology department, co-founded the D.C. Sociological Society, and served as one of its first presidents. 5 years later, he became the first black person to serve as president of the American Sociological Association. Before passing in 1962, Frazier would publish the acclaimed and controversial book, Black Bourgeoisie, criticizing race relations in America. I'm Christy James on the Black Information Network.
Our news, wherever you are. Tell your smart device to play the Black Information Network station on iHeartRadio.
Entertainment news on the Black Information Network.
Beyonce is making black music history after her Renaissance World Tour because it's the highest grossing tour for a black female artist. The tour has already generated
American female engineer in NASA in 1958. 62 years later, we are still looking for more females with careers in STEM to highlight as role models. Women like Aisha Bo, a former NASA employee herself. Bo has created Lingo, a hands-on experience for kids to learn the fundamentals of hardware and software design. To women like Jackson and Bo, young girls now have role models to look up to in STEM and will be more inclined to embark on STEM careers of their own. This is Keon Williams on the Black Information Network.
Get live business news every 30 minutes
On the Black Information Network.
Bay Area, PIN 910.
I'm Amber Payton and Asbury Wood on your home for 24/7 News, the Black Information Network. Detroit Police Chief James White says the arrest of 32-year-old Portia Woodruff in February was improper after she filed a lawsuit against the city and an officer. White says her arrest was due to human error and not the facial recognition technology used.
This will be no different if we took a vote. They promote like the old days, took a picture out, and went out and next person and they get
the sheriff of Rankin County, Mississippi, to resign. This comes less than a week after 5 former Rankin County sheriff's deputies and 1 Richmond police officer pleaded guilty in federal court to charges of beating and torturing 2 black men in their custody back in January of this year, which led to Sheriff Brian Bailey announcing the decision to fire half a dozen white deputies.
We understand that the latest actions of these deputies disrupt the public's trust in our department. Rest assured, we will work diligently to restore that trust.
The news conference Wednesday announced that Sheriff Brian Bailey should be fired or forced to step down for allowing such brutality to occur on his watch. 6 former officers known as the Boom Squad are scheduled to go on trial for state charges on Monday, August 14th. Parents are looking for answers after their 8-year-old daughter was fatally shot in the head. According to News 1, Vaughn Dockery dropped his daughter Genesis off the babysitter he'd used on numerous occasions without incident. However, on this day, about 1 hour after